Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
The government, Mr. Andrew Wellness, I'm not safe anymore. I'm not safe in my own community. You understand? Rosealee, bring us about 5 to 6, about 10 man bring her come last night. You know? So she's going to analyze me. I'm not safe anymore, chat. Mr. Prime Minister, Andrew Wellness.
Alright, my people, welcome back to another trending news. Now we get for understand say Jake's life is in jeopardy, and this I get from bad to worse. From my barn, I never see a woman tormented like Rosealee. Rosealee, step to the front. We the people would like to know where you really are hope to gain out of all of this. Imagine you say you and your baby father left and you move out and you're happy and you do the things them and you still find time for go back and see if you got torment the man. Now Japes come on him live to tell the people them how much you pull up on him yard with a bag of man and I'll pull out knife on him, and I'm gonna see him little daughter of a squash the situation. What kind of example really I said for the picnic them? It no look good. And now we start believe what your friend they come out and say, yeah, they put a hip on your baby father head. We start to believe now what first with a speculate, and I said, no man, I your baby father say you would do that. But now you give it all the reason for believe say that was indeed true. Rosealee, we really not sure we really hope for achieve out of all of this. And if you carry on with this, the picnic them are gonna left parentless. That's all what I have to say. What have Jake said of the story, people? Wanna listen up and comment.
And John, knife for me. You understand? But fear proving them always come turn you back to her. Yes, she like prove yes. But fear proving them always turn you on her. Like the time when she got the hotel and try prove, she get her ass flag. When she got the party and try prove, she nearly get her ass bust this again. You see, now she come here last night with some whole heap of man in her bima and come and fly out a vehicle and draw a knife. Eat that girl. Then you click your life. Then you have a say click your life after I chat for you batty mouth. Your shit mouth. Big waist girl, can be a shit up body go in your mouth. You see it? No. We're going to do the right thing. Since I want to prove, we're going to do the right thing. Since I want to prove, we're going to do the right thing. Because kill you dead, you safe, you know. Come here, you talk about where you buy from, where who eat from, who not eat, and all them blood clot there. You see it? And who not eat. Eat that girl. Every time you come here, my friend them a laugh off of you. Every time you come here, my friend them a laugh off of you. Because when you come here, you want to buy this, buy that, buy this, buy that, and feel like say it at work. All the person who you feel like say close to you, them not close to you, eat that girl and my friend them. You see it? And so that's what you really want to prove. I'm going to show you something brawling now, eat that girl. Say, Anna, you're a friend them. Yeah? So you see, look at piece of table when you bring in that vehicle last night and free to come out of the vehicle. Because even that look what she do last night in the chat. Chat, when I'm there, I save you, I should end that. In the vehicle should go. I should end it in the vehicle should go. You understand? And look a piece of tail man them. You know them have the local cowardness in them man. Who for art now beat and all them sitting there way. We don't take nothing light. That I should do last night, me not take light. You understand? That we should do last night. We don't take light, so she approve, so we go prove too. Cause no girl. I supposed to go them want wave no badness for me about buckler. No girl. I come talk about money. We go teach us something about money. Full girl. We go teach us something about money. You know? We go teach us something. When you come talk about it, every time you come here, all NSC you buy, girl. All NSC you buy. Oh, who do that? Who do that? Who do that? Every time you come here, all NSC you buy. All NSC you buy. You make tell the man them don't drink it. Yeah, man, drink it, man. And when you come to make one or two about that, them know, so yo, make sure about money. Me do that. Me do that. Yeah. When you come here, make sure you show about money. You mean, you have waste man around here and yam out and real shop come here, you feel like you show about money. Me do that, girl. Me do that. Come click live until you just say nah, show about the money, no? So you come talk about, and in buy burger and buy burger. Biggie get girl, that's how we deal with people, yeah? That's how we deal with people. We learn all this stuff, and we will teach us something. That's all I have to tell you, we will teach us something. Yeah, we will teach us something.
Wow. My face. Please, like shit.